Hello everyone, I know I've not made any video on this new Bitcoin mining that we have been doing for some time now, but there is upcoming launch this October that will make it possible for us to mine the new BTC, FNBTC, and ARB. So they've introduced a new coin now called ARB. We are going to be mining everything on autopilot. That means you don't have to be mining every 2 hours or every 4 hours. Okay, so let me dive right into their Telegram group and share the information they just posted a few minutes ago. So this is their Telegram channel and this is the information they just posted a few minutes ago. As you can see, it says today, and they said, "Dear new Bitcoin community, we are thrilled to announce the upcoming launch of community mining and auto miner, two revolutionary systems that make earnings FNBTC easier, faster, and smarter than ever before." And then there is a video they provided, okay, for you guys to watch. If you are in new Bitcoin mining with me and you are in the official Telegram channel, then you should have access to this video, okay? Community mining tax-based rewards. You stake your FNBTC for 3 months. You avoid high gas fees, collective mining power, complete simple daily tax. So when you complete simple daily tax, like if you watch some video, you like, you comment, you share, you will earn daily FNBTC reward based on your stake. And then number 2, the auto miner, which is the passive rewards. This is where it becomes interesting because many people in my team, they want everything to be automated anyway, instead of manually, mining every 4 hours. So they said, no time for daily tasks. Let the system mine for you. Subscription plans. So they have 1 month subscription plan. You will make 1x reward of the total amount of FNBTC you are going to use to mine for that 1 month, which is 4 weeks. If you mine and lock your FNBTC for 3 months, you will earn 1.5x reward for that FNBTC that you locked. There is also a plan for 6 months. You will get 2x reward for choosing that option. If you choose the 1 year option, which is the 12 months option, you are going to get a profit of 2.5x reward. I said rewards are auto-credited daily, fully passive income. And then there is a referral system as well, where you will earn up to 50% instant commission. So here are the details of the referral system. They said, invite and earn across 5 levels. Level 1, you will earn up to 20%. Level 2, you will earn 10%. Level 3, 10%. Level 4, 5%. And then level 5, 5%. Eligible for users with 3-month plan or higher. So if you would like to build your team in this platform, then you should think of the auto miner for 3 months, okay? So that you can get your, your referral bonuses get paid, okay? And then the further information, they said there is a dual reward system. They said you can earn 2 tokens every day. You can earn FNBT, the main mining reward, and you can earn ARBT, arbitrage token. When you hold the ARBT for 100 months and swap 1-to-1 with new Bitcoin, or trade instantly at market price once it is listed. It's not been listed yet, guys, okay? Then they said, why does it matter? Millions of new miners joining globally. Locked FNBTC will be equal to reduced circulation, higher value. Referral and arbitrage will be equal to dual income in-stream. Global ecosystem group will be equal to stronger FNBTC price. Launching in October, which is this month. Final security testing is ongoing. Official launch date will be announced 48 hours before release. And they said, prepare your wallet, stake your FNBTC, and get ready to mine smarter. That is the information that is reaching me just now. So if you are in my team in this new Bitcoin mining platform. Get ready because we are getting the auto miner very soon. Okay, so that is everything that they have here in their Telegram channel, and I will see you shortly. Once it is launched, I will update you guys again and probably show you a video on how to use the new system. But for now, let us keep mining every 4 hours and accumulating our FNBTC. Thank you. God bless.